Hello, little artists! We just reached 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much! Let's keep going and aim for 100,000! To celebrate, today we're drawing a fun, colorful staircase. Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. We're going to start by drawing the top part of our staircase. Draw a straight line across, then add some zigzag lines to create each step. Make sure to leave a bit of space between each step for a nice, clear look. Great job so far! Now, let's move to the lower part of the stairs. Connect another set of zigzag lines that goes down and around to make it look like a 3D staircase. Remember to keep those lines straight and steady.
La da 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 dee.
Now, to make it look sturdy, let's add a pillar from the top of the stairs to the ground. Our staircase is looking amazing. Let's make it pop by going over the lines with our black marker to make them bold and sharp. This will really make our drawing stand out. Nice job! Now, it's time to add some color and bring our staircase to life. Today, we're using rainbow colors, so grab your colors and let's start. Ready? Purple color. Wow! Blue color. Indigo color. Green color.
La da 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 dee.
Yellow color. Orange color. Yay! Red color. Ocean blue color. Sea green color.
La da 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 dee.
Whoa! Look at that amazing, colorful staircase. You did an awesome job today. Thanks for drawing with us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you had fun. See you in the next video. Let's keep creating together. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.